like a robot.
Mine's
right
on.
Now that they're touching your head and adjusting things. Hold on, let me adjust your sensors.
I can't get it.
Mine just has
It's
a,
blinking now. It's blinking. Don't touch it.
mine just has a cool flip switch, so I just come right on.
Alright, good.
Okay.
No, it's not going.
So here's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, you turned it up.
I say, who brought fire? Let's just set fire to one of the sides and just kick it through. Whoa, go! Everyone run fast and go through the maze. I love this part. That means we're going to cheeks.
Yeah! Whoa! Oh, did him!
No!
No!
That's a death trap. Wrong way, no cheese. Yeah, you guys want some nuts?
What I is that?
Right! They're gonna be down here in the back corner.
They're in the warehouse only. They're trying to take the warehouse.
You know the layout, that was exactly.
Whoa, time out. You guys said you were playing.
I know. Now I
Go, nope, nope.
Aww.
I don't give a poop.
dang it.
Yeah, ref.
I want
Said
to
you were
play.
playing.
They're right here.
At the window? That's too close for full auto.
Yeah. Come on, wait till he runs out.
That's way too close for full auto, dude.
Really?
No.
I wouldn't walk too close over there.
Watch out. You alright? That's way too close.
Hey, dude, that's way too fucking close for full auto.
Here, let me ref Chris.
I know it's full auto.
He's like right at the window shooting at us. He just shot some kid like point blank with full auto.
Remember, surrender roll, small effect. Surrender roll, small
Guy right there. Watch out.
Dang, he just like walked right off in there.
Surrender roll, small effect. Anybody right here?
Huh?
Is anybody right here? Okay.
Just run across.
What?
Just go under.
I got it, I'm sure. He's in the corner, they're in the corner, it's like creeping.
Stick your head up there again. Got you right in the face, man. I know I did. I hit the guy right in the face mask.
Going across the line of fire around. Who, me? Yeah. You can't put your gun in there? What? You can't put your gun in there? Oh, I don't. Well, I'm going to put your gun in there. You don't cross the line of
Okay,
fire.
I'll take this way. Just cross the shield of fire.
Got one coming out, one coming out, one coming out, one coming out.
Just hold the window. Anything comes in.
I know I got you. Come on, poke your head out there again so I hit you in the fucking face again.
Where you guys going?
I know I hit him right in the finger, ref.
Yeah, sorry. He's out, he's out.
Alright, go. Get out.
We're good.
Can I go under?
Right
Can I go?
across.
Go.
Me too.
That's all I had to shoot.
Yeah. Oh, you target right there, you got it. Coming out, coming out! Still want you, bro.
Get out.
Can we breach currently? Give me a minute, I'll do a breach call. Give me a minute. We're just looking at my people in that room. Keep getting in, keep getting. Can we breach? That's it, that's it. Pull your mags out, pull your mags out!
They're all in that corner now. There's no one else in there.
All seven! All seven!
Oh yeah.
Breach, breach, breach!
Go, 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 go. Let's go in. Oh, I'm gonna stop on my own people.
Surrender.
Good job, guys.
Good job, you guys.